pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we find some love. Maybe we find some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? Am I crazy for you? Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Maybe it's crazy I love you. Maybe it's crazy I do. Maybe it is, but I'll live with it. If it means I'll have your freaking bit of goddamn section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches that come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah, I think this is love. Love. Yeah. You know we get together. Maybe we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we find some love. Maybe we find some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you.
Y'all saw I left the store with a bag, and I went in the store with a bag. Yes, I am Sarita. I am very indecisive, and now I think I'm a happy camper. So let me show y'all what I went to GANNI and swapped my bag for. And I'm super excited that I did, because I went to the store. I called them before I went and asked if they have the leopard with the red, the newest, the summer. Is it the summer? Or is it just the 2020? I think it's just the 2025 collection. So the bag that I got is from the 2025 collection. Edit that out. But I'm excited about this one. So y'all have any guesses on which one I got? No. No. Okay, so I went in there. The young lady that helped me in December when I bought my first bag, the leopard one, she was there. Her hair has grown. And she was helping me, and I asked her for the leopard with the red. She opened the drawer and I saw another bag. And I was like, okay, but I still tried on the big one, which I originally thought I wanted the big one. I don't like the straps on the big one. They're thinner at the top part. So they kind of remind me of a Neverfull, but not of leather, of that material. That's a no. I like the straps on the smaller tote because they are just more, they're like plumper and they're flat. So they're more comfy strap. I love the tote bag, y'all. Like, it is comfy, and until you try it, don't knock it. I love it. So let's get into what I picked. Okay. I'm freezing in here, y'all. We have our air set where it goes to a certain temp after 8 o'clock, because our free time is 8 o'clock to 8 in the morning, or 8 o'clock to 7:59 in the morning. Yeah, so I have the air during the day at like 77. Right now, I'm shaking. It's so cold. It's at 70, and I'm freezing. And I know that's the lowest our AC goes, some kind of new tech stuff. But at our old house, it used to go, I think, to 50 or 55. It's freezing in here. It is free. I want to put a sweater on, but once I go in my room, I'm taking my shower and I'm going to sleep because it's freezing in here. But I'm going to show y'all what I got. I don't know how to tell y'all that because I'm sitting here trying not to freeze to death. I'm excited because I was just like, okay, I really was excited about getting that one on sale, the black one that I had, but it was too blah, just like too blah. Like, I needed to say something, like say something. It didn't say anything. It didn't say nothing. So this one's saying something, y'all. It's saying something. And I was excited because when she went in there, this was the last one that they had, and they just got last week. They had a couple, but this is the last one. Look at that. OMG. I love it. I love it. I love it, number one, because it's dark and I wanted something dark. But it's a dark blue jean, if you can tell. It's a dark blue jean. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is a blue jean. Let me show you the tag. So if you are looking to get it, that's the tag. This one is $185, so I just had $100.02 difference, I think, because remember the other one was on sale for $90. So this is what I got, and this is what I mean by the straps are flat. They're flat, y'all. This is comfy. That leopard one, baby, that is my travel bag. Okay, I love it. It has been on 2 cruises already, but this one, I did compare it with the leopard one. I tried the darker leopard on with the red. Right now, I'm saying that, but I don't know down the line. But I'm just like, I wanted something different. I wanted something, I guess, darker. And here I am. Here I am, and I'm excited. I love it, y'all. Look at that. And this is, like, it's sewn in there and a fabric, I guess a threading or something. That's what that is. But this is, what did she say? Like a terry cloth or something. So it's very cute, y'all. Yes. So here I am. I'm excited, and it's new for the year. So perfect, perfect, perfect. It opens up big. Right now, nothing's in it. So that's how the inside, oh, if y'all can see the inside. You probably can't. Yeah, you can't see the insides because I don't have any lighting or anything down here. But that's how the inside is. Just a big blue hole. And when it's open, that's how wide it is on the side. Yeah, I love it, y'all. I'm excited. So that's it, y'all. I just wanted to show you this. And yes, I'm the most indecisive. I just call me the indecisive queen, okay? Because that is me. That is me. So I'm excited. I'm happy to finally have a different tote, because I was going to scream keeping that other one that was plain Jane. Too plain Jane for me. Too plain Jane for me. And I'm thinking if I'm going to wear this for Easter or not. But yeah, I'm excited that I have it. And I love it. So it's, like I said, it's dark denim again, y'all. And the, what, like light denim blue, I guess, threading or something. I don't know. It's not blue jean, but it's like the thread is like a light blue. But it's very cute. Very cute. I love it. So that's all, y'all. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. I'm freezing, y'all, so I'm stuttering now. But thank y'all for watching. Here's the new bag. I am loving it. And thank y'all for watching part 1 and 2. And if you just clicked on part 2, go ahead back and see what part 1 is, so you can see which bag I swapped it out for. So thank y'all for watching. Hit the subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.